the midst. This march is one of the blessed march. Dr. Michael Cypress, the former city manager of eThekwini, is here with us. Dr. Mike Cypress is of Pagazi, what she has in the same Wahama. Where we are still a Bakhalisi Balele usihlalo we-Portfolio Committee on Human Settlements eParliament ukuthi azolanda i-memorandum yethu. So usihlalo we-committee lokuhlalisa kwezindlu kuyilona elihlongoza lo mthetho. Uthelo ludaba belungakafiki eParliament walibuyisela kuNgqongqoshe kwi-department. Sabhalela-ke umhlonishwa umama uThembi Simelane ohola lo mnyango ohlongoze lo mthetho. Uminister-ke uye wathumela uDeputy Director General umama uNana Mhlongo. Mama nje mama. Yabona bathokela kanjani balibona le. I'm not too sure when we are behind the scene in my boardroom if they do the same. But in national Bakharuti, Umama Unana, Umshongo hosted us on the 20th of January, and Home Minister this year. We were very welcome. Uminister uthumele wena uthembe wena emnyangweni omkhulu kangaka. Uminister wathi na esithembise u1 billion rand. Akhambi nje ukuthi sikhulume ngale submission. Where is our 1 billion rand? Uthusazombuza. Ngifuna ukumkhokelela ukuthi aphendula, ngifuna agcine seqamba amanga. Kodwa abahlali bafuna ukwazi, khona ubabushiba. Sikhathele lo mbuzo kumajenerali asebenza abahlali. Babushiba, sondela babangeke. Ngifuna uyibuzele lo mbuzo ngoba ngizoba nengqala esenibuza mina, kanti nami ngimbuza ukuthi nawe usayobuza. Phakathi kwethu sinabahlali basemdulweni babuphatho abasahlukumezeka abahlali abakhubazekile abangaboni emehlweni. And the city and this province ayenzi kahle. Babushiba lo mbuzo ka1 billion rand ngicela ubuze wena.